Assalamu alaikum my dear student. Today we are going with Gunu Khata how to implement. So let me start with my discussion related to Gunu Khata. How to create the accounts on Gunu Khata. Let me show you how step by step the way we are working. See here, while starting when you upload the setup is done up with all these things, when installation is done, then we will start how to create a company wizard and how to create a company. So we will, when we start up with the Gunu Khata, when we open that Gunu Khata, we go with the company setup wizard. Okay, in there this is what company name, then you are having case means as is, what other they are below, many of the links are there, what type of company type you want, profit making company or non-profit, or many other things will be shown in the drop down menu. The financial year from which to which means most probably we make a term, every company have a term of 1 year financial, full financial year. So the date, month, year till the date, month, year. How would you like to use Gunu Khata? Has account only, has accounting with invoicing, has invoicing with bill-wise accounting or inventories. These all are options which you want to create. Next, use up and down arrow keys we use to for enter the key to proceed. Then use automate mode for receipt and payment mode if you want, generate sales and these all things are there when you create a Gunu Khata. Then here you will see proceed. When you go with the proceed button, you will be going with this thing. After setting all these things, that is, you will be uploading your logo, you can upload here. Then you have address here. Okay, then what address you want, all these things you have to fill it up. This is how you will be filling it up: address, state, city, country, postal code, contact number, website, email, fax number. This all is same as you having in your tally. Okay, then you have GST. Nowadays we are having GST, so GST in numbers are there that you have to put bank detail, add bank account detail and so on. Please choose the rate from below so that account of to how much GST, 5% GST you are putting, 18% there, these all this. Then again we are going with, here see rate, that enter rate in the field below, click plus button or press enter key to add more. Okay, how much you want to enter. Then again you go with the proceed button. After this we will be moving up. This is how the one of the thing that we have created. This is financial, one of the company we have created here. And then after that we create an admin. That the admin who will be seeing all these things. So admin is you will be creating user and same as login you are doing now, that's the same way. And again create login or back you will be going. So we will be going with the create login. See here, financial year we have given up, so password and security question, whatever you want to do. Then the next slide, after doing all these things, this admin have created up. Now you see main thing, welcome to Gunu Khata. It seems you have created a new company. This all this way, create customer and supplier. You can start by doing the following things. These all the things they have given up. Create customer and supplier, create product record, start invoicing, make payments and receive payment, view cards of charts of accounts and so on. These are the shortcut keys which it will be used while doing everything. So they here see, to access tabs of the menu bar, control plus shift plus underline character whichever character you are. These all the things will be going on. Then in the next process we will be having, so now you are seeing this above menu. Okay, these are the above menu. Now you will be having master. In that master you are having a create account, edit profile, customer and supplier thing, detail, cost center, bank reconciliation statement and tax news. These things will be there in that first menu, that is your master menu. Next, the next part, when you click inventory, it will be related to all. before slide showing, I have shown you how we are working from the. Let's show you this inventory. In this menu, you are going with the inventory field, which give with a product service, go down, category, unit of measurement, that is of pieces and everything, with how many unit of measurement related to the products and other things and so on. Then in the next slide, we will be going up with vouchers. This is vouchers. What type of vouchers? We already know when we are learning VK, we are coming with n number of vouchers, that is receipt voucher, payment voucher, sales voucher, purchase voucher, contra voucher. We all know these type of vouchers are there, which we will be seeing and creating. Okay, then in the next part we are going with the documents. Documents are nothing but the non-accounting things which are to be there, so that is called as documents. So we are going with the cash memo, invoice, debit and credit note and so on. And the next section we will be going up with the report, that the report we are making up. So this is the report, ledger report, trial balance report, all these things we will be seeing. There are many things at the drop down you will be seeing when you open this report thing. And then in the next you are having administration, and again administration nothing but same as you are creating your user, change of password and everything of company data, export of data, import of data, that is of your Excel sheet, deleting certain companies who are not at present, was already not there. So these things are there in this administration. Next you will be seeing here, if you are going with this new tab, sign out, theme and toolbar. I am going with these things we all know. New tab means new window will be opening. Sign out means you are out from the Gunukhata, and theme are the what theme you are using it. Now see here, this is shortcut keys. In the toolbar you are having a shortcut keys for how to create an account, how to find and edit the account, how to make receipt, how to make payment. All these things will be seen. Manual is there, all plus M, all the manual related things are there. See, this is how this toolbar is working out. While doing this, again we are going with the next this menu, that is report. This you have seen list of accounts. Just I am clicking on this list of account, you will be getting the account detail, okay, the financial, and you are below you will be seeing back button, export of spreadsheet and printable. Means export means you are presenting this, it has a hard soft copy or a printable version, viewing in a printable version in the PDF form and so on. This is how it's work. Next, what we are having these things, whichever things you have seen in this slideshow, will be able to make how to create a account. So simple. What you want to know is to, it's just the same process, but it having n number of varieties. It is a double accounting process. So better go with this all things so that it will help you for the further. So please go with the detailing how we will create the HTML file and how. So everything, if you will be able to understand, then it is easy for you to create everything. So Jazakallah khair, my students. See each and everything I have shown in this slideshow, so that help you how you will be creating it and how the Gunukhata is working on. The next video when I will be uploading it, I will be showing you about different process of creating the accounts. So Jazakallah khair.